Welcome back to math. We are still working on TEK 4.8 that says I can identify and convert customary units of measurement. Today we're going to be talking about capacity. Capacity is great because it helps us measure liquids. We know we can't pour some milk on the scale and weigh and see how much milk is, see how much milk we have. We cannot take a ruler and measure some water and figure out how much water we have. So how do we know how much we have? Well, we use 5 units of measurement for water. Starting from the smallest to the biggest, there are fluid ounces, cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. Let's take a look at some of those to see. The smallest one is a fluid ounce. Right? There's a measuring cup, and it's hard to tell on the camera just how little that is. So we're going to compare it to some stuff. If you have been baking or cooking in the kitchen at all, you might have used a 1 cup measuring cup. And you see here how little the fluid ounce is compared to the 1 cup measuring cup. All right, and if we're going to go a little bit bigger, so we have our fluid ounces, and it is very important to say fluid ounce, because if you say just ounce, ounces are used to measure mass, not liquid. So you have to say fluid ounce. Fluid means liquid. So that way we know that ounce is used to measure liquid. All right, if we go up one more size to a pint, here's a pint, and you say, Miss Raymond, that looks like my milk carton that I get at lunch. Well, it isn't. Your milk carton that you get at lunch is about this big. So you see yours is about a half a pint, and this is 1 pint. So it's much bigger if you compare it to your milk carton that you get at lunch. And then moving right on up, you have a quart. I think this is kind of cool because you'll notice at the bottom, 1 pint says 16 fluid ounces and 1 quart says 32 fluid ounces. So there are 2 pints in a quart. And then that tells us how many ounces there are too. So if I took these and I poured them into here with my pint, I would be able to fill my fluid ounce 16 times. With this one, I will be able to fill my fluid ounce measuring cup 32 times. So, and then cups also can go in here. You see this one is, we could fit 4 cups in here. And if you look, it almost stacks up just right. 2, 3, 4. You can't always stack them up just like that. But this one, it's almost the same size around and tall. So you hit 4 cups. And this one, you guessed it, is just 2 cups there. Now our next big unit of measurement for liquids is a gallon. I have a gallon of milk here. Yum, yum. All right. And there are 4 quarts in a gallon. You say, well, Miss Raymond, this is all well and good, but there are so many numbers in there. I'm not going to be able to keep them all straight. Don't worry. I know that on the STAR test, you're going to be able to use a conversion chart to help you out. And there's another cool little picture that I would like to show you that you can draw anytime you're taking a test or you're just trying to figure something out. So first you're going to start with a capital G. And I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to make it a very square G. It's just going to go down, across, up, and in. Okay, so it's a very square G, and this stands for gallon. Now, you can fit 4 quarts in a gallon. So I'm going to draw 4 Q's for quart. And then Miss Raymond told you there are 2 pints in each quart, so I'm going to put 2 P's in each quart. And there are 2 cups in each pint, so I'm going to put 2 C's, 2 little ones, because cups are smaller than these. And then what's so cool about this is if a question asked you how many cups are in a gallon, you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 1 gallon equals 16 cups. So that's a really cool little picture there to help you remember how many cups, pints, and quarts are in there. And then fluid ounces, we just remember that those are the tiniest one. In 1 cup, there are 8 fluid ounces. And that's how you abbreviate that. FL space OZ, fluid ounces. So Ladies and gentlemen, that is it for now. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and we will be talking to you later.